Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today we'll be talking about the newest automatic pool cleaner in our lineup, the Solar Breeze NX2. This unit is new in 2019 and is a 3-in-1 pool cleaner, operating on free solar energy. The Solar Breeze NX2 operates like a Roomba for your pool. This solar-powered robotic floating pool skimmer continually skims the surface, removing over 90% of the dirt and leaves from the top of the pool before the debris can sink to the bottom and decay. This means less bacteria growth in your pool, less filtration and sanitation requirements, less algae, and you will never have to hand skim your pool again. The water passes through a fine mesh filter to remove bugs and dust and leave your pool sparkling clean. And an onboard chlorine tray holds two 3-inch trichlor tablets, allowing the Solar Breeze NX2 to sanitize your pool as it goes. It cleans your pool with free energy from the sun, allows you to reduce your pool pump runtime by up to 2/3. You'll never have to hand skim again. Your pool is always swim and party ready. There are no cords or hoses, and just remove the unit from the pool and jump in. While running during the day, the NX2 automatic pool cleaner collects 5 times more solar energy than needed to run it, and the surplus power is stored in a rechargeable battery. This means that when the sun goes down, the robot switches to battery power and operates most of the night. On top are the solar panels, as well as a viewing window to view the debris collected. On each of the corners are rolling bumpers to prevent any sort of damage to the walls and the liner, as well as the back ones being powered to stop it from getting stuck on ladders and skimmers and other pool components. It has front and rear drive motors, a removable skimmer tray, and a removable chlorine tray to hold up to 2 trichlor tablets. Come on down and check out the unit today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.